Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Instagram music not available. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first being your account type. So if you are on a personal account, you can try to go ahead and switch into a creator account because normally business accounts often lack access to trending audios due to the licensing restriction. In order to change it, open your Instagram, click on your profile, click on the top right triple lines icon and scroll down until you find tools and controls, and this is where you can simply click on switch account type and switch it from personal to either creator or from business to personal. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. So the second step you can do is simply go ahead and update your application. Open your App Store or Play Store and simply go ahead and search for Instagram just like that. Click on the application and click on the update button that you see on the screen. If you're using any kind of VPN, make sure that is disabled. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.